Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road, and we're going to show you how to install our brush bar onto the Subaru Wilderness Edition 20. I think they started in 2022. It's pretty simple. A couple little things we're going to show you what it comes with. You actually get the bar, it's a DOM tubing. You get a couple of these plugs once you install, and you get 2 bolts. Really simple. So I'll walk you through it here in a minute. Alright guys, next step is to remove these toe point covers. We already have removed in the front, so we're going to show you how to do them here. You just got to take a small little screwdriver, pry them open, and let me show you. So basically you have this lip that gets pushed in, and then you lift it out. Same concept for the front. You got to remove both of them. We'll also need a 24mm socket with a long extension. Could be 3/4, or I'm sorry, 1/2 inch or 3/8. We'll go in here and you can screw it in. So once you have the caps off, you pretty much just slide it in there, both sides. We already have the lights on there. You don't have to do it with lights, it's probably easier. You got the bolts are supplied. Now I do have to mention, if you have the hidden winch mount bumper already installed, you will need longer bolts that we will supply. Just FYI guys, you will need a longer bolt. Let me show you how much longer. As you can see, about a 1/2 inch longer. But if you're not doing the winch, you don't need the longer bolts. Once you have installed the 2 24mm bolts, we supply with plugs. I'll show you how it's easy to come in. There you go. For a nice clean look. That one gets another plug, but look at this. Bam. And that ties this brush bar install.